We are outside the chocolate factory, and I have guest stars today, Kelly and Tammy Nicholas from Denver, Colorado. And we're going to go into this chocolate factory and taste chocolate. And this factory is owned by Americans, and they own a farm of cacao. And they will be teaching us a little bit about how they make their chocolate and the process, and you're going to learn a lot. Okay?
We're super excited.
Yes. And so, yes, Tammy and Kelly are going to be the tasters, and they will give you their opinion. This is where we start. Come on in. So here is the chocolate factory. It's on Gran Colombia and Benigno Malo, close to the big church. We'll go inside and talk to the employees. So now we are inside, and
Oh, I see what you're doing. Oh, perfect. So this is the white chocolate.
This is the white chocolate.
And do you make it all here?
Yes, in the factory over there.
Oh
Outdoor.
my.
And you own your own cocoa
No,
plantation, or
no,
you
we
get
go to we get from the original beans
it? Okay.
plantation
Okay.
in Ecuador and Peru. And
And
then these beans are not modified genetically. This is 100% pure.
Pure.
Okay, so you get flavors that you don't get with the commercial versions of chocolate.
Wow. And so everything's done here locally.
Yes.
Wow.
We have a scientist that goes into the plantations in the origins. In the original plantation, indigenous, they have plantations that they don't even know that this is pure beans. Okay.
So do you ever do chocolate tastings and wine tastings together? Or do you recommend wines for your chocolate?
We have a tour which is pairing with
Okay.
chocolate and wine, which is a VIP tour.
Okay.
And then we have a short version of the tour, which is the history of cacao in Ecuador. Okay, because it has been said that in Ecuador you have the best cacao in the world,
Yeah.
and somehow it's true. But now, most of the beans are being modified genetically. So you can find different flavor, and when this tastes by huge company, they mix them all with some other chemicals.
Wow.
We just have pure cacao, and
So-
we sell these bars, and we sell the truffles also.
Okay. So in Denver, we're visiting from Denver. So we did a wine and chocolate tasting.
Yes.
And yes, and what was interesting about it, they featured Ecuador.
Okay.
And then what they told us with Ecuador is that all the cacao, the best chocolate comes from Ecuador using the cacao and
Yes.
the beans that are there.
Yes,
So-
that's true. The chocolate, but in Venezuela and in Peru, you have some of the best also beans.
Wow.
Okay, but in Ecuador, it is recognized and it has been acknowledged or recognized by international organization as the best chocolate in the world. Here
Well, it
we
smells wonderful.
made our own almond Nutella,
Almond Nutella. Ooh.
which has 70% cacao,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have
That's
sugar,
good.
and then the almonds.
That is
Mixed
really
in the
good.
machine. That's not
Oh.
something you're not going to taste in Nutella.
No.
Nutella has lecithina de soya,
Mhm.
which is
Oh,
harmful
that's
for
really good. So let me ask you, why the artisan bread? What do you do
this.
with that? Yes.
This is sourdough bread.
Sourdough, okay.
This is from a sourdough that has 75 years old. This is from the grandmother of the owner of the restaurant,
Really?
and it has been kept alive,
It's live culture
The
there.
growing.
The
Yes,
culture.
of the bacteria.
So do you serve it in your restaurant? You don't?
Yes, we made tartines.
Okay.
We made portobello tartine. We made vegetable tartines, and with mozzarella and with grated in the oven, and it's delicious.
I decided to come back to Altisimo Chocolate Factory because everyone keeps telling me that it's a really great place to eat lunch. So I've come here today to have lunch, and I've asked my friend Lillian to come as well. And we will be eating, and we'll let you know just what we think. We'll show you some of the food and what we've ordered, and tell you if we think that you should come here as well. My friend Lillian, and Lillian has joined me at Altisimo, and we're going to enjoy lunch. We may even have a glass of wine because we have so much to catch up on. So Lillian has ordered the, what did you order, Lillian?
The
Chicken wrap? Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And I've ordered the chicken Caesar salad.
Right.
So when we get it, we will give you an idea of.
Let you know how good it is.
Absolutely. So this is Lillian's food. It looks really lovely. What do you think? What do you think, Lillian?
I think it looks great. Can't wait to dig in.
Yes. All right. And she'll give you her review when we're done. And then this is mine, the chicken Caesar. And we will see just what we think in a few minutes. We'll let you know. So Lillian, this is you got the eclair.
Yes.
Chocolate eclair.
It's not big enough, but
Not big enough.
it's not big enough.
All right, and then
Yours looks good.
I know, mine is the pumpkin pie. I kind of also was thinking not big enough, but we'll see. Maybe it's like nice and rich and you don't want
Right,
to have
right.
it. So we will let you know after we eat it.
Okay.
All right, so Lillian and I are here just to tell you that we thought we had a lovely time. We had a really lovely meal. Lillian, tell me what did you like about being here?
Well, the ambiance.
Ambiance. Yes.
Yes, it's very nice. It's very relaxing and comfortable. The music was nice,
Music is nice, that's right.
and the food is good. Even the service was very nice too. They were kind enough to give me more tea.
They gave you more tea. Plus, like you mentioned a little bit earlier, they gave us plenty of time without making us feel like we had to rush.
Yes.
They gave us our space so that we were having some deep conversation about
Yes.
things that we needed to catch up on before I leave for Portugal, because Lillian is my very good friend and I love her very much. So we needed to have some space, and they
Yes.
gave us that.
That was nice.
That's right.
That was nice.
And the dessert was really good.
Oh, it was. I love the pumpkin pie.
The pumpkin pie was good.
with whipped cream.
Yes.
It was just wonderful. The spices were just right.
Perfect.
Perfect.
So the thing in Ecuador is you don't get pumpkin pie.
No.
It's really unusual, and for the spices to be so strong and good, and the fresh whipped cream,
It was
it's
very good.
Very good. Right.
Yes.
Right. So we had a really lovely time, and we would recommend coming here for sure. And especially with a good friend.
Of course.
And maybe you should come in the evening when you can have a little bit of wine and you can really enjoy and savor time with good friends.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay. All right. So that's our review. Okay, I'm here this afternoon with my two good friends, Kaylee and Kat. And we met at Altisimo Chocolate Factory one last time, just so that you can see that we can get these wonderful chocolates. We had margaritas, which were on happy hour, 2 for $6.
$6, yep.
And we also split. What did we split to eat?
Tacos.
Chili
They were-
pork.
Yeah, chili pork tacos that were so delicious. They came with these beautiful corn tortillas and this delicious pulled pork with this chili sauce.
Oh, yeah, and a Caesar salad. It was awesome. So we are planning an adventure to where?
To Kilatoa Lake, which is out near Quito area.
Right. So it's a volcanic crater, and the water is supposed to be like a real turquoise blue, and it's a 4-day hike around the perimeter of the crater. Well, or it could be less, I suppose, but we are going to go. Our plan is to go one direction one day and then another direction the other day. and we're gonna stay in the town of
Latacunga.
okay on an Airbnb. We'll give you the update on the adventure, and of course we're gonna take you all there. All right, but we want to tell you that we had an excellent time here, and we highly recommend that you find Altisimo Chocolate Factory and come visit. Okay? All right. Yay.